Hey, my beautiful sweet friends, how you doing today? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another video. Hey, guys, today I want to dedicate this video to all of you, my incredible subscribers and returning viewers. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Had to do with heart. Thank you. Whether you're here for the first time in a while or you've been here, guys, with me through it all, this is my heartfelt thank you, guys, for all of your support. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. To my returning viewers, welcome back. Welcome back, returning viewers. I'm so grateful that you've chosen to come back and spend your time here. Thank you, guys. Your loyalty inspires me to keep creating, guys. You inspire me. Thank you. Whether you pop in occasionally or frequently, your views and your engagement mean so much to me. Thank you so much. To my subscribers, guys, to my amazing subscribers, you're the backbone, guys. You are the backbone of this channel. Thank you, subscribers. Your likes, your comments, your shares, and your engagement has helped me. It has helped me grow, guys, and improve over the years. Thank you. Thank you so much. Each time I see a new subscriber, it reminds me why I started this journey, guys. Thank you. You're not just subscribers, guys. You're my community. You're my family. Thank you for being my family. Thank you. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you. Thank you so much. Looking back on this channel's journey, it's been a mix of hard work, guys, learning, and most importantly, connecting with all of you. From my earliest videos to where we are now, every step, guys, has been better, guys. Every step has been better because you've been here to support me. Thank you for that village. Thank you, guys, for that bridge. I always love and support you all right back. Teamwork makes the dream work, and I'm grateful. Thank you so much. This is my super shout out to you, to all the viewers who keep coming back. Thank you for sticking with me. To my subscribers who make this channel feel like home. Thank you, guys, for being a part of my home and making it feel like home. Thank you for your encouragement. And to anyone who's ever shared, to anyone who's ever commented, to anyone who's ever silently supported me, your impact doesn't go unnoticed. And I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to every subscriber and to every returning viewer. You make this channel special. You make this channel so special. And I can't wait to keep growing with you guys. Stay tuned for more content. Yes, more content is coming, and let's keep reaching new milestones together. Yes, together. You're the reason, guys. You are the reason I do what I do. And I just want to say thank you. You inspire me, guys. So let's keep going. Let's keep growing. And let's make the magic happen together, guys. Let's do this together. Thank you all so much. Super shout out to all of my beautiful, amazing friends. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Love you lots, guys. Thank you. Here's my shout out book. Shout out to Nemo 504. I just want to say thank y'all so much. I got you in my book, so I hope that I get you all in here. If not, after this video, in the comment section, put your name down below and say, hey, can you add me to the next shout out video? And I'll do just that, guys. I'll add you to the next shout out video. So, guys, so here's my shout out page. So first up, we got Nemo 504. Phenomenal. I love you, Nemo. You are definitely one of my favorite people, Nemo. Thank you so much for always shouting me out, always showing love and support. I love you, love you, love you. Thank you, Nemo 504. Phenomenal. You are the best. Creating Change, Guy Bandy. We got Driven Draven Simmons. Driven Draven Simmons. Love you, Driven Draven Simmons. He is on YouTube, guys. It's Live in Your Truth DoorDash community. Wisdom Sparks Motivation. Love you. Wisdom Sparks Motivation. Angela Spencer 0573. Angela Spencer 0573. We got KC Kit Inspirational. Good morning. We got Nancy Green. She spells it Nancy Greene 5838. Nancy Greene 5838. Nancy Green 5838. Love you, Nancy Green. You are amazing. Keita's Journey. Mecca Joy. Melanated Beauty 68. We got Jackie Adams 673. We got Mocha's Moments Keisha. Mocha's Moments Keisha. Love you, girl. So Driven Draven. Guys, shout out to my top commenters. Driven Draven, Mocha's Moments Keisha, Resilient Queen, Lois Roden. Thank you so much for all the top commenters. Mocha's Moments Keisha and Resilient Queen, they're like my top commenters, guys. My top commenters. So shout out to them, guys. So top commenters, thank you so much. Same thing with Lois Roden. She's like a top commenter. Love you, Lois Roden. All right, guys, we got Boogie Time TV, Boogie Time, Boogie Time. We got Life's a Journey TV, guys. We got Blue Dominion Prayer Channel, Blue Dominion Prayer Channel. We got Empowered Living. We got Positive Vibes Nat. We got Gabby Unscripted. We got Mama Bowman Living Life. We got Live Love Life with Nitya. Love you, Nitya, Nitya, love you. Kayla B.E. Fit Now. Love you, Kayla B.E. Fit Now. You're such an inspiration. So, guys, go to Kayla B.E. Fit Now. Love you, girl. Okay, we got 50 Plus Life. We got Malika's Creation, which is Danny. We got Ellen Smiles 001. We got Meant to Be Marriage Makers. We got I Cherish Church. Love you, I Cherish. Yeah, I Cherish Church. We got Resilient Queen. Love you, Resilient Queen. Love you, Resilient Queen. Love you, girl. Lashana's Success. Love you, girl. We got VC Vibes, vibing with VC. Let's vibe. Okay, guys, turn to the next page. We got 9 to 5er. We got S2K World Gaming. We got Daydream. That's DAYE_dream. We got The Glam Life with Stacy. Love you, girl. The Glam Life with Stacy. We got Auntie Mickey. Love you, Auntie Mickey. We got Star here, Tashmere. Love you, Tashmere. We got Sharon Johnson. Love you, Sharon. Love you, boo boo. CHARON. CHARON. So that's CHARON. Humble Me Hype, guys. Humble Me Hype. Krista Flash. Love you, Krista Flash. Cat Crab Green Eyes. We got Shine Dig. We out. We got Little Queen 65. We got Hope This Help China. We got Diana's Dreams. We got Ghana Africa Abound. We got This Little Shed of Mine. I'm gonna let it shine. Whoa. We got This Little Shed of Mine. We got Anisha LTV. We got Jackie Lane. We got Jamal Williams 2241. We got Tole Realtor. We got V's Authenticity, guys. V's Authenticity. Go check it out. We got Tierra B Naturally. Tierra B Naturally. We got Life After 50. Loyalty Matters. We got L's Endeavors. We got Life Points with Rhonda 2968. We got Miss Do It Yourself. Love you, Miss Do It Yourself. We got RV Bliss. We got TNT Makeup LLC. Naturally Rose 86. We got Snapback Trishana. Sorry. Snapback Trishana. Say that fast 5 times. Snapback Trishana. Snapback Coach. We got Other Side of 50. We got RN2 CEO. Love y'all so much. We got Mind Games, guys. And Positive Just Vibes Nat is the same as Positive just the same as Positive Just Smiles Network. Mind Games. Love you, Mind Games. We got Connection of Lives and Interests in 2020. We got Connection of Lives and Interests 2020. We got Beauty Ray Vlogs. Beauty Ray Vlogs. Love you, girl. Love you, girl. Thank you. We got Jamaica Allen. We got Miss Grasshopper. We got Lois Roden 513. And let's see. She also got Lotus Roden God's Platform. We got Shama's Corner. We got Chibuike. Hope I'm saying that right. Chibuike. Okeki. We got Cassie's Kitchen Creations. We got Fit ELT Club. Fit ELT Club. We got Serving God's People. We got DBC Aquatics. We got, is it T She Go Fat So Michelle? I think that's how you say it. Susan Pepper. We got Susan Pepper's also Chaos with Susan. We got Jamaican Queen, which is also Lifestyle with Jamaican Black Queen. We got Down the RD. We got Yasmin Atkinson at 821. Asmin Atkinson 821. We got Rising Phoenix. She spells the Phoenix with PHOEN7X. Rising Phoenix. We got Jules K World. We got Tracy. I think it's Tracy, which is TRICEY Love 7026. We got Priceless Pair Life 08, Memoirs of a Redneck Barbie, and we got Double Rose Twins Land. Guys, if I forgot y'all, please comment in the video, the comment section. Say, girl, can you add me to your next shout out video? I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And I thank y'all so much. I thank y'all so much for always showing love and support, and know that I show it right back. I love you guys. I don't take this for granted. I love my village. I love my community. I love my village. I love my community. And for 14 years, guys, it was a lonely road. It was a lonely road, but I have y'all now. So thank y'all. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You are amazing. I truly and sincerely appreciate you so much. Love you lots. I'll see you guys in the next shout out video. Okay? Thank you. Love you. Bye, friends. Have a great day.